Understanding Outline the Criteria. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important phrase that you might encounter in academic, professional, and everyday contexts. Outline the criteria. Understanding this phrase not only helps in comprehending requests but also in enhancing your communication skills. So, let's get started and explore what it means and how you can apply it effectively. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts: outline and criteria. Outline means to give a general description or summary of something, highlighting its main points. It's like drawing the contour of an object. You get the shape but not the detailed texture. Criteria refer to the standards, rules, or tests on which a decision or judgment can be based. Criteria are the benchmarks or yardsticks used to evaluate or assess something. When combined, outline the criteria, ask someone to summarize the standards or benchmarks that will be used for evaluation or assessment. It's a common request in situations where clarity and understanding of expectations are essential. Understanding why outlining criteria is crucial can enhance your comprehension and application of this phrase in various contexts. Clarity and direction. Outlining criteria provides clear guidelines on what is expected, helping to focus efforts and resources efficiently. Fairness and objectivity. When criteria are clearly outlined, assessments and decisions are made on a transparent, fair, and objective basis. Enhanced communication. It ensures all parties involved have a common understanding of what needs to be achieved, reducing misunderstandings and confusion. Knowing how to apply this phrase can be beneficial in many areas of life. Academic assignments. Teachers might ask students to outline the criteria for a project to ensure they understand what is needed to achieve a good grade. Workplace projects. Managers may outline criteria for a task to guide their team members on how to complete it successfully. Personal goals. Outlining criteria can also apply to personal goals, helping you set clear benchmarks for what you want to achieve. We hope this video has shed light on what it means to outline the criteria, and why it's such a valuable skill to master. By understanding and applying this phrase, you're better equipped to meet expectations, whether in academic, professional, or personal contexts. Remember, clear communication is key to success. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content in the future.